Can the digital world truly turn your dreams into dollars? Unravel the myths and dive deep into the real potential of digital marketing. Is it your ticket to riches? Let's find out. Hello, and welcome back to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into a question on everyone's mind. Can digital marketing truly make you rich? We're breaking down the facts, myths, and the real truth behind the digital marketing hype. You'll definitely want to stick around until the end of this video as we unveil insights that could reshape the way you view online business. Let's get started. Digital marketing is the modern approach to advertising and promotion. It encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. It's leveraging online marketing tactics like search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and potential customers. In the digital era, businesses are shifting from traditional marketing to digital marketing. This move is driven by the need to reach a larger audience, achieve better customer interaction, and gain a competitive edge. It's about reaching the right person at the right time with the right message. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a key component of digital marketing. It's the process of optimizing your website to make it visible in search engines. With effective SEO strategies, your website can gain higher visibility, thus attracting more traffic and potential customers. Social media marketing is another powerful tool in digital marketing. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn allow businesses to connect with their audience in a more personalized way. Through sharing engaging content, businesses can increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and generate leads. Email marketing, despite being one of the oldest digital marketing tactics, is still highly effective. It involves sending emails to prospective customers or clients. It's an excellent way to foster relationships, promote products, and keep your brand top of mind for your audience. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content to attract and convert prospects into customers. It could be through blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, or podcasts. The goal is to provide useful information that solves your audience's problems. Captivated yet? If this is your kind of content, make a move. Click subscribe, give a thumbs up, and tap that bell. Adventure awaits. Onward we go. Now, can digital marketing make you rich? Yes, it can. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a strategic approach, patience, continuous learning, and adaptation to the ever-changing digital landscape. Digital marketing has great earning potential. There are many ways to make money in this field, such as offering digital marketing services, blogging, affiliate marketing, running ads, selling products online, and more. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. Affiliate marketing is a popular method of making money online. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The key here is to promote products that you believe in and that your audience will find valuable. You can also earn from blogging. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can attract traffic to your blog. You can then monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. Selling online courses or digital products is another lucrative way to make money through digital marketing. If you have a specific skill or knowledge, you can package it into an online course or ebook and sell it on your website or platforms like Udemy. In conclusion, digital marketing is a versatile and powerful tool for businesses. It can indeed make you rich if you're willing to put in the time, effort, and creativity required to stand out in this competitive field. It's all about finding what works best for you and your audience, and continually improving and adapting your strategies. Still here? Your persistence is about to pay off. Dive into a free ebook and unearth the strategies for the most promising online business you can initiate today. But hold on, the journey doesn't stop at the pages. Beyond the book, an exhilarating 15-day challenge beckons, tailored meticulously for this unique business blueprint. Navigate through with expert mentoring, exclusive insights, and a powerhouse of tools that can catapult your online vision. Intrigued? There's no time like the present. Smash that link in the description right now and blaze your trail to online mastery. Before we cap off this session, I'm genuinely curious about your stance. Dabbled with the method I laid out? Mulling over its perks? Channel those thoughts into the comments. And if there's a riddle you want solved, fire away. I'm on standby for support. Every piece of feedback crafts our next step. Felt a jolt of inspiration from today's share? Charge that like button with enthusiasm. Want to tag along for more digital escapades? Anchor yourself with a subscribe and flick the bell for good measure. Be the vanguard of every update. Lastly, before you set sail, catch that video on the horizon. It harbors another masterful tactic awaiting your discovery. Embark and let's navigate these waters as one. Until our paths cross again.